Dell Medical School says one of its new community-driven ideas is working great. It pairs up senior citizens with teens to garden with a focus on improving the health of African Americans in Austin. KXAN's Alyssa Goard introduces us to some of the gardeners and shows us how this type of program is making an impact on people's lives.
This is
11-year-old Elise Franklin Downs has been helping out in this East Austin garden.
These are tomatoes.
She's one of the 14 young people paired up to work in the gardens with 7 African-American senior citizens around Austin.
The kids built these frames.
It's part of a community-driven initiative from Dell Medical School.
It's one of our most successful programs.
Dell Med selected this gardening program to receive support for a big launch this spring. The kids in the program are given stipends to plan out the gardens.
We've had gardening classes, financial literacy classes, and food justice classes, and they come together and they talk about those things like they've been knowing each other for years.
The focus is on bringing health benefits to Austin's African American community, but anyone is welcome.
So the kids are learning about, the origin of food, the history of African Americans with food, why there sometimes are issues around, who has access to what foods.
The new connections, the increased access to healthy food, and the physical activity all play a huge role in health.
It's estimated that over 80% of your health outcomes have nothing to do with going into your doctor's office or a hospital.
For older generations, this program has sparked memories of past gardens.
It reawakens some things that are in our roots.
It may not be what you picture when you think of health, but young and old, these participants say it's helping them to blossom.
Whoever is trying to grow some plants, make sure to take good care of it, like very good care of it.
And Tom, this intergenerational gardening program is part of Dell Medical School's community-driven initiatives.
And is this a new thing, or has this been around for a while?
Well, these programs are actually pretty new. They are designed to take ideas by the community for the Austin area and get them off the ground. They try to support projects that help underserved communities and that push back against some of the health inequities people in our area see. They're actually starting their 3rd call for ideas right now.
Okay, so if you have an idea, what should you do?
Well, we actually have a link to that on our website. You can submit those ideas to Dell Medical School. And again, we've included the link for how you get to the submission page on our story on KXAN.com.
All right, Alyssa, thanks so much tonight.